Okay, you have been trying to run YouTube ads, but you don't know where to start from. Let me tell you something. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your YouTube ads manager, or how to set up your YouTube ads account for you to be able to run ads on YouTube, either for your channel, for your music, for your business, or for your videos in general. So of course, if you're new to this video, I want to welcome you to my channel. Thank you for coming to the community, and I appreciate you for being here. Kindly smash that like button for me, for you to be able to show to me that you love this type of content, and I will be able to create more content like this in future. And drop your comments in the comment section. Where are you watching me from? And subscribe to this. You can actually follow these same steps on your mobile phone. That does not stop you from running YouTube ads. You can actually go to your Chrome browser right now, hit that three dot button you have as an option, and tick on the box of switch to desktop mode. Go able to follow the same step. So let's get straight into it without further ado. Okay, on this page you want to go to ads.google.com in your browser, and you should know that for you to set up your YouTube ads, you need to set it up in the Google Ads dashboard. You click on campaign and tools, and you click on video, and immediately you click on video. Then the next thing you want to click on is you want to click on start now. Okay, now immediately you click on start now, a new ad account will be created for you to be able to set up your YouTube ads campaign. And let's wait for the next page to load, and you're actually going to see what do you want to focus on: drive video views or traffic to your website, drive video views, engagement with your channel. So the next thing you want to do is, we don't want to create a campaign right now, because this is a demo ad account for you, just to show you the real stuff. So you scroll down, and immediately you scroll down, you want to switch to expert mode. You click on switch to expert mode, and once you click on switch to expert mode, then on the next page you are actually going to see different kind of campaign goals you can select for your video campaign. So you are going to scroll down, and you're going to click on create an account without a campaign. Okay, so once you click on that, then you are actually going to pay more attention to this place. Please, in the billing country, you want to select the correct billing country of your country, which my own is Nigeria. And the time zone, you want to select the time zone of your country, okay, your state, whatever it is. And the currency, you want to put it in US dollars or maybe euro. And I'm going to click on yes, send me performance tips, promotional offers, and click on submit. So immediately I click on submit, you are going to see congrats, you are all done. Listen to me very carefully, you are not done. You click on explore your account, and see, if you don't want Google Ads to ban your account, you don't want them to just shut it down, the next thing you want to do right now is you want to click on tools and settings. Okay, just wait for the page to load and click on tools and settings. And immediately you click on tools and settings, you want to set up your payment profile. If you don't set it up, you are gone. So you click on billing setup, and once you click on billing setup, then you are going to be taken to a page by which you are going to get a correct card for you to be able to use with your Google Ads account. You need to set the payment profile. That is, let's wait for the next page to load. Let's wait for the next page to load. Let's wait for it, the network. So on the payment setup, you are going to be selecting the billing country, which my own is Nigeria. Okay, my own is Nigeria. The USD payment is there already. Okay, the currency. And in the payment profile, you can click on it and click on create new payment profile, which consists of your name. Do you understand now? And then the customer info, which is account type, put it in individual. In the name and address, input your correct address, the city, the state. You don't want to lie here. And in the how to pay, you can select automatic payment or either manual payment. Do you understand? And listening to me very carefully, if you're in Nigeria, you need to chat me for the correct card that work with Google Ads. I'm not promising you that I'm going to show you for free. If I want to show someone for free on how you can be able to use the correct card, I will have told you here. So you choose the correct MasterCard that works. I can show you on WhatsApp by using the link in the description box to chat me. And once you do that, you click on I agree to Google terms and condition, and you click on submit. Do you understand? Okay, you click on submit. You can use the link in the description box to chat me. So you click on, immediately you do that, you click on Google Ads, and you are able to go to your Google Ads dashboard for you to be able to click on new campaign, run your campaign, and see you on the next video. Thank you.